How to fix Koho app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Koho app if it's not working. So there may be several reasons as to why this problem may be occurring. So the first and foremost reason is maybe your internet connection. So as you already know, Koho is an app that requires a stable internet connection to work. Sometimes if you don't have a stable internet connection, the Koho app will simply not work. So first of all, check your internet connection and maybe try switching from your mobile data to your Wi-Fi, and if you are on your Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. After that, once you've done that, go to your app store and then search for Koho. After that, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Now as you can see, my app is not updated, so I'll simply tap on the option update. And now once your app is updated to the latest version, try opening your app once again, and this time maybe the app will start working. But if your app is still not working, go to your settings, general, storage, and then search the Koho app. After that, simply offload the app and then reinstall the app. Now doing this, in most of the cases your problem will surely be solved, but if your problem is still there, what you can do as a final resort is simply delete the app entirely from your phone, go to your app store or play store, and then download the Koho app once again. So those are basically the ways on how you can fix your Koho app if it's not working. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.